Namaste everyone. Let us discuss few questions of volume of cube and cubite. So how many planks, each of which is 2 meter long, 2.5 centimeter wide and 4 centimeter thick can be cut from a wooden block 6 meter long, 15 centimeter wide and 40 centimeter thick? Means we are given a wooden block, you can see on the board, whose length is 6 meter, breadth 15 centimeter and height is 40 centimeter, and we have to cut it into small planks where length is 2 meter, width is 2.5 centimeter and height is 4 centimeter. So we have to cut it, means we have to find out the volume. But before finding volume, we have to see whether their measuring units are same or not. So here breadth is given in centimeter, height is also in centimeter, but the length is in meters. So let us convert this also into centimeters. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Therefore 6 meter will be equals to 6 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 600 centimeter. Therefore volume will be equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. Here length is 600, so 600 multiplied by breadth is 15 and height is 40. So 600 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 40. Now let us find the volume of plank also. Here also we have to check the same thing. Width is in centimeter, height is in centimeter, but the length is in meters. So 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter and 2 meter will be equals to 2 multiplied by 100, which is equals to 200 centimeter. Now let us find out the volume. So volume will be equals to again length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height, which is equal to 200 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 4. Now the volume of block will be cut into planks. So we have to divide volume of block with the volume of planks. So number of planks will be equal to volume of block, that is 600 multiplied by 15 multiplied by 40 whole upon volume of a plank, which is equals to 200 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 4. So remove decimal of 2.5, 10 will go in numerator. Now divide it. 200 ones are 200, 200 threes are 600, then 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25, 5 ones are 5 and 5 eights are 40. Then 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 and the product equals to 3 threes are 9, 9 twos are 18 and 18 tens are 180. Means the number of planks will be 180. Let us see one more question. 3 solid metal cubes with edges 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 cm respectively are melted together and formed into a cube. Find the volume of new cube. Now let us see what is given in the question. We are given edges of 3 cubes. The edges are 6 cm, 8 cm and 10 centimeter. Then we have to find out their volumes. Means all 3 are melted and converted into a new cube. So volume of new cube will be volume of first cube plus volume of second cube, that is with as 8 centimeter, and volume of third cube. So edge of first cube is given 6 centimeter. And its volume will be h cube, that is 6 cube, which is equals to 216 centimeter cube. The volume of second cube will be, its edge is 8 centimeter and the volume will be 8 cube, that is 512 centimeter cube. Then in third cube, the edge is given equals to 10 centimeter and volume will be 10 cube, which is equals to 1000 centimeter cube. So these are the volumes of all three cubes. Now we have to melt them and we have to convert them into a new cube. So volume of new cube will be sum of volumes of first three cubes, that is 216 plus 512 plus 1000, which is equals to 1728 centimeter cube. This is your required answer. Thank you and keep smiling.